Hey guys, it's Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, here we are back in the van. But guess what? It's a little bit different this time. It's my day trip van plan. I just made that up. It sounds good. Yeah, and this is my Chase Lounge. How do you like it? So basically, if I wanted to leave for the day and I didn't want to do a whole van build, well, what would I do? I would do a very simple set up in my van so that if I was out all day at some beach a couple hours away and I needed to take a rest or just get out of the sun, maybe eat, whatever, just kind of get by myself, I would want something in my van that would help me feel comfortable. So I've come up with this Chase Lounge and a little bit of stuff going on back there, and I want to show you what that is. So let's get into it. And guess what? I thought about something. I think I'm going to start calling myself Not So Fancy Nancy, because guess why? I'm not so fancy. Yeah. So I might start saying, hey guys, Not So Fancy Nancy here. Hope you're having a fabulous day today. Welcome back to my channel. How does that sound? All right, let's check the van out. All right, here you go. Ta-da! Introducing my Chase Lounge. Yes, I just thought of it today and thought, gee whiz, video worthy. Somebody would love this. So I just used my comforter, or my quilt should I say, put my seat all the way down. I've got a camping pillow in there to take up some space, and this is one of those stadium seats that you take to a stadium at a ballpark, and it can help you sit up straight. So what I did, instead of using it in the conventional way, this is actually the back of it, and this is the bottom of it. This is where it has all the thickness in the padding for seating. But what I ended up doing is flipping it around and using the padding part back here for my back, and the back part down here to sit on, because I really don't need all that. Furthermore, with the thickness of this, it raises me too high to the top of the van. So anyhow, if I wanted a little bit more back support, I would just grab a camping pillow and just put it right here. But it's actually perfect for me. And I know this might not work for really, really tall people, because you might be taller in the torso and you might hit your head. I get that, but I do think this will be helpful to a lot of people out there. I also have got my favorite swivel T-sec chair in here. I've got my little drop-down counter there that I got at Aldi last year, or maybe 2 years ago, I don't even know. But that's down. I'll obviously use that if I'm having a snack or a drink. My cooler. And over here, I've got my battery. And what would I need that for on a day trip? Well, to charge my phone, to charge my speaker, because I love to have music. I have a little Bose. So my backpack here, that has my towel, my clothing in it, change of clothes, whatever I might need to be at the beach, it's going to be in that bag. And this little carpet right here, this is new. It's not necessarily for the van, it's actually for the inside of my house in the winter time. My front door leads right into my kitchen, and it's wood floors, and this has really been helpful in just cutting down just wear and tear on the wood floor. So I took it out of the house, brought it in the van, because you know, these utility carpets are fantastic, but I will say that they're not the most cozy. So if I was going to hang out here and sit back here and relax, or I don't know, whatever, needed a place to change, I just wouldn't want to be doing it on that utility carpet. So I just put this back there for comfort, and I think it's going to work out great. But as you can see, this is a very basic day trip van plan. And whatever you have at home, you could make something like this in your van to suit you. Whatever you've got at home. You could just put quilts back here, or a comforter or something, and just make it all cozy. Another thing I want to mention is another option for chairs are those really short beach chairs. Those would be good in vans. You know, if you're a taller person and you have trouble sitting up in a regular type of a camp chair, those beach chairs are really low to the ground, so that would be a really good option to use in the van here. So anyhow, this is it. This is my day trip van plan. The floor plan is super duper simple, and anybody can do it. You might be going to a family reunion or something where you're going to be gone all day, but you want your own space for a little while. You can come back to your van, hang out, just recharge, and go back to the party, you know. Anyhow, that is all. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you're having a fabulous day. So you guys, I will catch you later. I just wanted to check in and say, hey, this is what I just came up with, and I wanted to share it with you. Let me know what you think. All right, catch you later.